us to find Tower's Law Firm too.
Yeah, and Dad's playing. Those are the people who do this event anyway.
Yeah, many of them are, but I'll be happy to reach out to the others.
Okay, let's create news.